On this episode of the Carolina Sports Guy, I'm going to dive in and talk just briefly about some more Carolina Hurricanes news, particularly about this offer sheet for the Montreal Canadiens' Jesperi Kotkaniemi. Before we get into today's video, make sure you subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, folks. Hit that bell notification to be notified of future content on the Carolina Hurricanes, Carolina Panthers, Charlotte Hornets, and major college sports in both North and South Carolina. Pound that like button. Leave me some comments, folks. I love the dialogue, especially my good friends out there in Edmonton. I really appreciated the dialogue I got from you guys about talking about Ethan Bear and Warren Fogle. You guys are going to love Fogle. I hope Bear's a defenseman that we can kind of get to somewhat replace Dougie Hamilton. All right, folks. The Canes made an offer sheet, a one-year deal to the Montreal Canadiens for a winger, Jesperi Kotkaniemi. Now, this guy, one-year deal, $6.1 million, probably a little bit of an overpayment. Now, I guess we can finagle the details a little bit because I thought we had $4.5 million in salary cap space, but I know there's a little wiggle room and we'll be able to get it under the cap, so we'll be good. The thing that's so funny, folks, is Montreal is over the cap. They've got to get rid of people. They've got to make some moves, and they've got a one-week window to match this offer sheet, and it's probably more money they want to pay. So I know maybe we spent a little bit more than we needed to, but it's kind of a sweet deal. And to see, folks, it kind of goes like this. A couple of years ago, Sebastian Aho was out there. He was a restricted free agent. Montreal tried to get fancy. They thought the Carolina Hurricanes, an old South Carolina, North Carolina, out there in the world of Dixie, that we don't know anything about hockey. And these people up there in French Canada, Jacques Le Bleu, they really thought they're the only ones, because they're original six, know anything about hockey. And the Raleigh market, the North Carolina, South Carolina market, the Carolina market, whatever you want to call it, isn't really a market. We weren't serious about retaining our players because we're not a big hockey market. And because we've struggled in the past, we've got great fans and support and a wonderful organization. And they felt they could just snatch Sebastian Aho up. And it didn't work. We waited about 5-6 days, and of course we matched the offer. And it was a good deal for us and a good deal for him. You know, now we enter this year, and we played the game right. Because Montreal doesn't have the funding. They're over the cap. They got to make deals. They didn't expect this from Kotkaniemi. They didn't think it was going to happen. And it wasn't just the fact we offered him a $6.1 million deal, which is more than they want to pay. It's the fact that we gave him a $20 signing bonus. Now, you think, what's the big deal about a $20 signing bonus? It's kind of small. Well, number 20 on the Carolina Hurricanes is Sebastian Aho. So that was a little slap in the face to the Montreal Canadiens about, hey, remember when you tried to do an offer sheet on one of our players you didn't think we'd re-sign? We're going to give him a $20 for number 20, a signing bonus to kind of match the guy you tried to steal off our team. The thing that kills me about it is douchebag Jack Todd from the Montreal Gazette. A couple of years ago, thought it was such a great move that the Montreal Canadiens had come in, Sebastian Aho. He just knew Aho was going to be there because Carolina wasn't going to pay that kind of money. Smart market team wasn't going to pay that kind of money, wasn't going to get this guy. And lo and behold, we did. 2 years later, we get to this week, and we do this with Kotkaniemi and Montreal, and puts them in a bind. And this Jack Todd says we're Bush League. Bunch of fifth graders pissing at a urinal. It was fine when you did it what Aho wanted. It was the right move. But when we do something like this, it sucks. And I say the only thing I saw was we overpaid. But it's not too bad. If he ends up being a great player and does well, we can manage it. It's great. If he doesn't, it's a one-year deal. It's a one-year deal. But it's so damn funny how we went out and our Hurricanes social media guys put it out there in the Twitter world, Facebook, Instagram world, whatever it was, and kind of did it in French. And the thing that I really thought was ironic and funny, poor Jack Todd probably didn't enjoy it, is the simple fact that the same statement that damn general manager for Montreal made, this guy thinks he's so badass because they made the Stanley Cup. It was a Cinderella year and you didn't win. You lost to the same damn team that we did. We probably should have beaten with a better goalie play. the same statement that Bergeron, or whatever his name is, their general manager, made when they, who wants to come to Montreal? He sees the core players, and it's a smart move, and blah, 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 blah. It's the same thing Don Waddell said, that Kotkaniemi sees the core players we got. He wants to play in Carolina and come here. Word for word. And it's beautiful. And I love pissing down your back. Because, yeah, Montreal, you got the cups. You got the history. You definitely are legendary. And we got one cup. And, yeah, we haven't been the best franchise all these years. But I'm telling you, our fans are ravenous. Got a good owner. We got a great team and an awesome coach. And you're going to learn that we might be small market, but we play by a different set of rules. So, Montreal, suck it. Okay, folks, what do you think of today's video? Do you like this signing? It's a little too much for you? Do you think it was Bush League? Or do you think we gave Montreal a taste of our own medicine, but we did it better? Leave me some comments. Pound that like button. Hit that bell notification to be notified of future content like this on the Hurricanes. And by all means, folks, subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. I will see you on another episode. Carolina Sports Guy.